How to sign out of your X account. What's up everyone? Welcome to the tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to sign out of your X account, previously known as Twitter. But before getting started, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's jump right in. But before we go any further, I want you to remind you to press the bell icon so you get notified about our latest videos. The first thing you need to do is open up your X and make sure that you are logged in with your correct account and you want to log out of this current account. So once you are logged in, if you tap on your profile icon on the top left, you won't be able to see the logout option right here. So you will have to dig a bit deeper to find it. So tap on settings and support dropdown and head over to settings and privacy. Now, all you need to do is navigate your way to your account right here, tap on it, and then from here, just tap on account information. And once you do that, here you'll be able to see your username, your email address, and if you've added any phone number, you can see that as well. Now, on the very bottom, you'll see logout. Go ahead and tap on logout and tap on logout right here to confirm. Now you have successfully logged out of your X. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.